Oh, hi, my lovelies. How are you doing today? My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. Today, we are going to make sweet and sour sesame chicken. So what I've done here is I fried the chicken, but I coated them first with some cornstarch and egg white. Yes, egg white. I didn't use the whole egg because egg white just makes it light. You know how sometimes when you order something out and it's like heavily breaded or coated with something, so we don't want that. So we want it light and nice texture, so I use egg white instead of the whole egg, and that really helps. Also, cornstarch makes it really crispy, and that's what we want. And it's very simple. It's only, I added a little bit of the bell pepper and we sauteed the garlic, we made the sauce, we fry our chicken, and then dinner is done. So let's go ahead and cook this sweet and sour sesame chicken. Let's start by seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper, then add the egg white, then the cornstarch. Toss everything together until well coated. Now let's start making the sauce. For the sauce, we're using soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, apple cider vinegar, honey, and a little bit of brown sugar. We're also adding cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Now use a whisk or anything that you can mix the sauce to dissolve the sugar and cornstarch. Now heat the pan with oil and start frying the chicken. About a minute or two on each side or until golden brown. Then remove them from the pan and then leave some oil onto the pan because we're going to use it to saute our garlic and red pepper. Now saute them until the pepper is tender. Now to this, you are going to add the sauce, but make sure you mix it first before you add it to the pan. Now once the sauce is thickened, you add the chicken back to the pan and make sure that the chicken are well coated with the sauce. And then drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, sprinkle some green onions and sesame seeds.